Sa mundo ng pole vault mula sa pagkakaudlot noong nakaraang taon, matutuloy na ang ipinangakong world-class tournament sa Pilipinas ng Filipino pole vaulter na si EJ Obiena. Gaganapin sa Setyembre, inaasahang magiging bahagi ng nasabing event ang top 10 sa mundo, kabilang na ang world number 1 na si Mondo Duplantis. Ang mga detalye tutukan sa report ni Matchpoint, Millie Borja.
Itutuloy na ni Filipino pole vaulter at Olympian EJ Obiena ang kanyang matagal ng plano na magdaos ng world-class pole vault meet sa Pilipinas. Inanunsyo ng world number 4 na gaganapin ng atletang Ayala World Pole Vault Challenge sa Ayala Triangle Gardens sa Makati City mula September 20 hanggang 21 ngayong taon. Ang kompetisyong ito ay sanction ng World Athletics at Philippine Athletics Track and Field Association o PATAFA at magsisilbing pagbabalik ng orihinal na plano noong 2024 na naantala dahil sa spine injury ni Obiena. Samantala, sinabi rin ni Obiena na imbitado ang top 10 pole vaulters sa buong mundo, kabilang ang world at Olympic champion na si Mondo Duplantis para lumahok sa gaganaping pole vault challenge. Ayon kay Obiena, ang naturang event ay sanction ng World Athletics kaya magkakaroon nito ng ranking points na makatutulong sa mga atleta para sa kanilang world standing.
This is going to be part of the tour. This is in the calendar of athletics, World Athletics, and with that, it amounts to certain points. And with that, it will be in the world ranking for sure. If anybody jumps the world record, if we see one, it's going to be there. And if anybody jumps a national record, everything, it's going to be up to standard. This is not an exhibition. This is an official sanctioned competition by World Athletics.
Layo ni Obiena na ipakita sa buong mundo na kaya ng Pilipinas na magdaos ng international event at hikayatin ng iba pang top athletes na sumali.
This is something that I really want to showcase, of course, the ability of the Philippines to host such an event. And that's the main reason we're aiming to get as much of the top athletes as possible, because I want to showcase that Philippines as a country can host such events, and hopefully this is just going to be a spark to get that engine going and maybe get more international competitions in the country.
Ito rin ang kauna-unahang malaking pole vault event na gaganapin sa puso ng Metro Manila na may layuning ilapit ang laro sa mas maraming tao. Matatanda ang huling nakalaban sa harap ng home crowd si Obiena noong 2019 Southeast Asian Games sa New Clark City, kung saan nakasungkit siya ng una sa kanyang 3 SEA Games gold medals.
On the personal side, as an athlete, I can't wait to jump in front of a home crowd. I've not done that in such a long time. The last time I've done that was in SEA Games, and it was far from the heart of the city. And I think bringing the sport outside of the track closer to the people.
Samantala, habang abala sa paghanda para sa Makati Meet, nakatakdang lumahok si Obiena sa Monaco leg ng Diamond League sa July 11. Para sa MBC TV Network News, ito si Millie Borja ng DZRH TV, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.